cuisine without curry leaves or kadhi patta is like a ship without a rudder or Krishna without Radha. Am I exaggerating? I don't think so. There are very strong reasons why I am saying this. So keep watching to discover more. Namaskarams and welcome back to yet another new episode on Manchan Mal. Modern science is now clearly proving the fact that many of these spices and herbs that we routinely use in our Indian cuisine have amazing medicinal properties. Isn't it amazing that our ancestors already knew about these facts? We have already spoken on spices like ginger and turmeric in our previous episodes. And today the focus is going to be curry leaves or kadhi patta. Your grandmother must have told you about the use of curry leaves for treating diarrhea and stomach upset. And today's recipe is just focused on this. And there are umpteen other medicinal value of curry leaves which modern science is validating and which we will look at it a little later. Today we are going to be making curry leaves chutney powder, and in South India this is called karigapala podi. So now let's look at the ingredients for the curry leaves chutney powder. The main ingredient here is kadhi patta. So I have taken about 3 fistfuls of fresh curry leaves. The other ingredients are 2 tablespoons of urad dal, 1 small red chilli, 1 small baby tomato sized tamarind, 1 teaspoon of pepper and salt to taste. And it's always better to take fresh leaves. And now I'll be washing these leaves and spreading it on a cotton cloth for the water to get absorbed. So now let's heat the kadhai to dry roast the other ingredients. So once the kadhai is heated, you can have a sim flame and put the urad dal. I have taken urad dal with skin. You could use the one without skin also. So we need to dry roast this for about 3 minutes for the aroma to come. So now the urad dal aroma is coming. So I'll add the pepper, red chilli. After a minute of adding pepper and red chilli, we can add the tamarind. The total roasting time is about 3 to 4 minutes for all the ingredients put together. You can see it has changed color. Let's remove it now. So now let's heat the curry leaves. Keep continuously stirring. Wonderful aroma of the curry leaves. As we heat this, you can see that the volume reduces because the moisture is evaporating. We have to see that the entire moisture evaporates, otherwise the powder will get spoiled. You could even dry the curry leaves on the cloth for a longer time so that the heating process is faster. And also it's important to see that the color is retained. We should not lose the green color. So this is done now. See, you can feel the dryness. Okay, and a crunchy kind of feel. So switch off the gas and leave it open so that it completely cools down before we grind it. The leaves are cooled now and you can see the crunchy. Can you see? Yeah. Curry leaves or kadhi patta constitute an important ingredient in the Indian diet to improve appetite and digestion. These leaves are known to be rich in antioxidants, vitamin A and vitamin C. As we have seen, they are also helpful to treat dysentery and diarrhea. It is known to cure piles, reduce body heat, thirst, inflammation and itching. Regular use of curry leaf powder helps in burning fat, thus leading to weight loss and reduced cholesterol levels. It has even been reported that leukoderma and blood disorders have been controlled too. Besides, these leaves are good for protecting the liver. Curry leaf extracts stimulate production of insulin by beta cells of pancreas and thus can be used in the treatment of type 2 diabetes. These extracts also contain alkaloids which have anti-cancer properties. Wow! So let's transfer the leaves to the mixer. We'll transfer the roasted ingredients also. Let's add salt as per taste. And now this is ready to be ground. Here our curry leaves chutney powder or karigapala podi is ready. Let it completely cool down and we will transfer this preferably to a glass container. So here our curry leaf chutney powder is ready. Look at the green color. It is preferable to store this in an airtight glass container and you can store it outside itself. It will stay for a month or so. But if you want to store it for a longer time, it is better to store it in the refrigerator. How to use this powder? When somebody is having diarrhea or dysentery, you can take a tablespoon of this powder and mix it in hot rice and add a small pinch of ghee or sesame oil. Mix it and have it. There is instant relief. Believe it or not, interestingly, curry leaf is related to the citrus family. Butterflies and moths, if you know, are very specific about the plant in which they lay their eggs. Therefore, you will find larvae of butterflies of the Mormon family on curry leaf plants as well as lemon plants. Unfortunately, these butterflies are seen as pests on curry leaf plantations, which results in heavy pesticide use in curry leaf cultivation. And therefore, it is very important and safe to use organic curry leaves, or you could grow it in your own homes. As we have seen the umpteen medicinal benefits of curry leaves, it is very important to make the use of curry leaves as part of our everyday diet. You could use it in this form or many other forms as you wish. But just think of this. Many of us usually pick up the curry leaves and put it on the side of the plate and eventually it gets thrown away. Isn't this worth mulling over? We tend to use curry leaves only as a flavoring agent, but the real benefit is only when we ingest it. So it's very important to chew the curry leaves and take it inside, and it is very tasty. Would you still choose to throw the curry leaves away, or are you open to chewing it and relishing it? Leave your comments below.